I'm going to convert this into a fraction. This is a recurring decimal. That dot there, it's not a decimal point. It signifies that the 7 is going to reoccur over and over again. So what that looks like is with the 7 recurring, it keeps on happening all the time. So in order to convert this to a fraction, set it equal to n, or whatever letter you like. Then what I'm going to do is move the decimal point to a place just before it starts recurring. That's going to be 2 places to the right. For that to happen, I need to multiply by 100. If I multiply this by 100, that will take decimal point 2 places to the right, just before it starts recurring. Next thing I do is move the decimal point to the very, very end. That is the next step. So that will be 1, 2, 3 places to the right. For that to happen, I need to multiply by 1,000, both sides. And that will move it 3 places to the right. Now, if you don't understand how that worked, I'll demonstrate multiplying by 1,000 using this decimal here. If I multiply by 1,000, move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So it's here now. So what is this number now? That's 437.7 recurring, which is what I got here. Then what I do with these two parts is to take away 1000n, take away 100n, multiplying that way, that'll be 900n. 7 recurring, take away 7 recurring, they cancel out. 437, take away 43, that leaves me 394. So n is equal to 394 over 900. Now that can be simplified. It gives me 197 over 450. That's the working out, and that's the final answer. That's the simplified fraction for this one. Right, here's another one. Move the decimal point to a place just before it starts recurring. That's going to be 1 place to the right only. So that multiplied by 10. Do the same on the other side, so that will be 2.15 recurring. Now I need to move that decimal point to the very, very end. That's 1, 2, 3 places to the right, which means multiply by 1,000. That'll be 215.15 recurring. Remember, I moved the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places right there, so it'll be 215.151515 and so on. Now I need to take away 1000n, take away 10n. That's going to be 15 recurring, take away 15 recurring, cancel out. 215 take away 2, 213. So therefore n is equal to 213 over. You might be wondering, what if every single digit is recurring? So that's 0.353535. Well, this is quite easy. Set it equal to n as usual. All you've got to do is move the decimal point to the very, very end. That's 2 places to the right. So for that to happen, multiply by 100 both sides. 1, 2, you'll have 35.35 recurring. Now do a takeaway. 100n take away 1n, 99n. 35 recurring, take away 35 recurring, cancel out. 35 take away 0 is just 35. Therefore, n is equal to 35 over 99. In fact, if I had something like this, everything's recurring. When everything's recurring, I could just tell you now, well, there are 3 digits that are recurring, so the denominator will be 999, 3 nines, just like there are 3 digits that are recurring, and then put the 413 on top. If you had something like this, there's only one digit that's recurring, so just have a single 9 and then put that 5 on top.